Okay, I was too late with the camera. They already slitted the new bladder in it.
Turn around and see if we can get the string in the slot.
Turn it all the way around?
Yeah, I can't see if it.
Well, you just need
in
to.
the flat spot.
So anyway, you just lubed the bladder up and jammed it in there. I gotta find out how many pounds to pressurize this to.
Yeah, if you don't get enough, it won't work. You get too much, it will blow it out.
Yeah. It's only set at one, you set it and then you adjust your valves accordingly, but I mean the valves shouldn't need adjusted on that, you know, that block where the two valves are.
It should be the same.
Yeah, go ahead and pull on that.
Alright, well we'll show you the finished product here in a little bit. Stay tuned. Alright, put the final touches on this baby. That's got a castellated nut. At Hydac they might use a more sophisticated tool, but we use caveman tools here. Oh, Captain Caveman. So what that's doing is that's preloading the O-ring and the backup ring on the oil side. They got the bladder in it. Butchie blowed the old bladder up and found a big old leak, so that's why we didn't have no delimber action. Oh, look at that. We just found out we need 300 pounds of nitrogen. And I found my compressed nitrogen bottle. But I got issues. Alright, put the new O-ring in this. Gotta put that little other fitting in this thing.
The boss.
Might be a 16. Alright, so get a load of this. I found my compressed nitrogen tank, and the friggin' thing is missing out of it. So I gotta find that. I don't know where the hell that would have went. It's been sitting over here for years. Let's see if we can find it amongst all the goodies. Okay, get that back together. I figured a way to my what do you call it? So I found it's 9/16 fine thread. So I found this bolt and got it to thread in, and got enough turn on it to get 300 pounds. So we charged that nitrogen bag, the blatter. So I am going to check a few things on a map here, and then 10:30. Alright guys, that completes this mission. See ya. Happy New Year.